Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Toledo 1 litre TSI Excellence finished in black magic. Features on the car include full LED headlamps and daytime running lights, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, as indicated, built into the mirror housing. As part of the Excellence specification, privacy glass is standard. There's also parking sensors at the rear. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Within a cavernous loading space, with storage at the side, and the option to increase that by folding down the rear seats with a 60/40 split. Also a spare wheel standing on the car. The car seats 5 in total. Has Isofix stand on the rear bench. Also has keyless entry. 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's also keyless start. The car's covered just over 9,000 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. There's also digital climate control, storage at the front with a USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, and armrest and a 12V power source. If you'd like any further details on this car, to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.